In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your Trello profile information. Keeping your Trello profile updated ensures that your Workspace collaborators can easily recognize you and understand your role. Whether you're managing boards for team projects, personal tasks, or anything in between, having a clear username and bio helps maintain professionalism and clarity. In just a few simple steps, I'll walk you through the entire process of updating your profile information. So let's get started and make sure your Trello profile is up to date. First, open your browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once the page has loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Login button. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in. Here, you can either enter your email address manually or choose a single sign-on option, like using your Google or Microsoft account. If you select a single sign-on method, follow the prompts to connect your account. If you're entering your email instead, type it in and then, if prompted, enter your password. Once you're ready, click the Login button to access your Trello account. Now that you're logged in, you'll land on your Trello dashboard. This is your main hub for managing boards and workspaces. Take a moment to locate the workspace you most actively use. The names of your workspaces will be listed on the left-hand side or visible in your dashboard. Once you've identified the workspace you want, click on its name to open it. Next, you'll need to access the workspace settings. To do this, look for a small drop-down menu near the workspace name. Click to open the menu, and from the options provided, select Settings. This will navigate you to the settings page for that specific workspace. Once you're in the Settings section, look to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see the option for Personal Settings. Click on that to move to the section specifically tailored to your personal account preferences. In the Personal Settings menu, look for an option labeled Profile and Visibility. Click on it, and this will take you to your personal profile page. This is where you can make changes to your username and bio. Let's start with your username. Your username is a key part of your Trello identity, so make sure it's clear and recognizable. Update it by clicking into the username field and typing your new preferred name. Once that's done, move on to your bio. The bio is a great place to share relevant and professional information about yourself. This could include your role, key skills, or a short note about what you do. Click into the bio field and update it with the information you'd like to share. After making these changes, it's crucial to save them. Look for the Save button, which is typically located beneath the fields you just updated. Click on it to confirm and apply your updates. If you don't immediately see your changes reflected, don't worry. Simply refresh the page or any open Trello boards to ensure that the updates are fully applied. Once everything reloads, verify that the changes you made to your username and bio are visible across your workspaces. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your Trello profile information. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.